To change the front gear case or demand drive fluid on your Sportsman X2, Touring, and 6x6 570, follow these steps. For optimal performance, always use Polaris recommended fluids as described in your owner's manual. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface, ensure it is in park, and set the parking brake. Then, place a drain pan underneath the front gear case. Placing a rag in the bottom of the drain pan will help prevent the splashing of fluid. Now, clean the area around the drain plug. Next, remove the drain plug and allow the fluid to drain completely. Now, clean any dirt or debris on the drain plug. Inspect the O-ring and replace if necessary. Continue by installing the drain plug and torque to specification. Next, clean the area around the fill plug. Then, remove the fill plug and set aside. Next, use a funnel or fluid filler to slowly add the proper amount of recommended fluid. The fluid level should reach the bottom of the fill hole threads. Now, clean any dirt or debris on the fill plug. Inspect the O-ring and replace if necessary. Then, reinstall the fill plug and torque to specification. Clean any residual fluid off the vehicle and inspect for leaks. Finally, dispose of the used fluid properly at your local recycling center. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.